Alright guys, I know you guys been waiting to see who won the giveaways for the Underglow kit. Well, today's the day I'm going to be telling you guys that. This is the first giveaway that I'm doing, and there's going to be a lot more giveaways to come. So the winner for the Underglow lights is Ramon. Congratulations, Ramon. And I hope you enjoy the lights as much as I enjoyed them when I put them on my car. I don't know what the next giveaway might be, but it's definitely going to be something good. There's way more crazy stuff coming with the car, and there's way more crazy stuff coming with the truck. So make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's Mario here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that little notification bell. So for the past few days, it's been snowing, so I haven't really been finishing up the vlogs. But today, I actually managed to finish the custom camber bracket, which everybody got from at It's Sunny channel. On his RSX, he did custom camber plates, something like this. My holes look jank because, yeah, whatever. So basically what he did was he made two custom brackets. I mean, two for each side, and I did that. And I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like right now. And not to mention, I threw the new wheels on the car. So you guys ready for this reveal right now? Bro, it looks totally baller. Holy shit. Do you guys see this right now? I'm super happy. Like, now I have a fuck ton of wheel gap, but I got new fenders in the back, so I definitely got to get an alignment. Like, I have no rear camber compared to the front right now, but I totally love how it looks. My toe is literally thrown off, so I'm probably gonna have to get an alignment, but before I do all of that, I got to do the other side. So that's what the rest of this vlog is gonna be about. I've been waiting for this all morning. All right, so the space came in the mail. I'm about to throw them on the car.
How you drive like that, bro?
I just did this. It wasn't that low, but I just did this. So
Cars all the time, like, yo, I don't know how people drive like that.
it's fun, bro. It's fun. Yeah.
But when I moved out, I started seeing all these people with cars like this. I'm like, yo,
Yeah, bro.
this shit is elite.
I know, it's a lifestyle, man. It's a lifestyle.
You gotta know how to fuck with cars, though. That's what
hell
it is.
Yeah. I need to get the back, like the front, as soon as possible. Because now that I did this, the car just looks stupid. If you like the new wheels, give this video a thumbs up for me. Jesus Christ. Bro, look at this. It's been years since I want my car like this. Ever since I just got it. It's literally been a dream to have the car looking like this. Literally been a dream. So I'm really happy that I accomplished it. And I'm just gonna keep working harder to make this car harder, you feel me? Just look at the way how it's sitting right now. Look at the way how it's sitting. There's literally no clearance underneath. Hold on. The clearance under the car is like nothing. But fucking static life. Okay, so now I know what I'm working with the car. So I'm about to bring it back over here, put the real spacers on, and get the custom bracket done for the other side. So let's move the car, park it, do all the shit that we gotta do, and then that should be it. Guys, so these are the spacers I'm going to be throwing on the car. They're 2-inch wide, so that's 50 millimeters. And I have these both in the front and in the rear. All you RSX boys and all you Honda Civic boys, 8th gen, 9th gen, if you want to get more camber on your car, you would have to like go to Home Depot, pick this thing up for like $20 or something. I forgot how much I paid for it. Basically get your drill bits, start small, then go all the way up big. They recommended, well, Sonny from Eliminate recommended 5/8 bolts, but I went a tad bit smaller. But basically what you want to do is drill the holes, make 2 of these brackets, so 4 holes, 2 on each side, feel me? And then when you're done, you want to grab your grinder, cut it off, shape it up, make sure it's not sharp, feel me? Once all that is done, you put it on here. So got a bracket right there on that side and a bracket right there on that side, and the bolts go, let me try to get you guys a good angle, and the bolts go right there. So this side should be all set. You can tell my coilover is all the way over here. I made sure I got the brake line and the ABS line from behind there, just in case it rubs it and pop it. I can't have that at all. Another thing I'm concerned about is my coilover rubbing on the wall itself. So the more I drive, the more I'll figure out like what challenges I'm facing. So I'll let you guys know. Oh, do you see how mean this setup look right now? The car looks so mean right now, guys. I can't exaggerate how good this shit looks. My toe is completely off, but as I said, I gotta get an alignment, and this shit will be looking crazy. Bro, do you see this?
Hell yeah, dude.
Yo,
Car's fucking jacked.
facts, bro.
This shit hard, bro.
Bro, this shit look crazy, nigga.
Saying,
It's literally dreams coming to reality, bro. Literally dreams coming to reality.
put the fucking bumper back on.
I'm about to throw it on right now.
Throw a wing on it.
This shit is so hard.
See that shit? My nigga get his grind in the snow. Get
Bro,
that shit.
Exactly.
Get that shit.
Exactly.
New England.
How the snow this, the snow that, it's cold, it's this, it's that.
Jamaica, that shit like 105 degrees on the regular, like daily.
Exactly. We from the islands where it's hot as fuck. We're not even used to this like that. Literally, I'm proud of myself because I really just banged this
Proud of
shit
him
out.
too because he's lazy. He don't do shit, but
I don't do nothing but car shit. Yo, this shit don't want to move. I'm about to go up the street and come back.
alien weird.
Alright guys, so I just got out of work and I stopped to get gas. So I'm just gonna tell you guys like what I got left to do with the car. So basically tomorrow, all I have to do is adjust the toe because the toe is way off. You could tell the wheels are pointing towards each other, got too much toe in. So tomorrow I'm gonna raise the car up a little tiny bit so it's not completely on the ground. And then I'm gonna adjust the toe, and then I'll worry about getting the back looking like the front. So if you like today's video, go ahead and give this video a fat thumbs up for me. If you like the way how the car is sitting, give this video a fat thumbs up for me. And as you can tell, this side is a little bit lower than the other side, so tomorrow is gonna be a working day. I really hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In that case, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.